Let's solve some problems in electronics, specifically the cascaded BJT connection. So given this circuit, calculate the total voltage gain and the output voltage. So dito meron tayong two stages. This is the stage 1 and this is the stage 2. Take note in this connection, identical ang stages 1 and 2. So stage 1 is equal to stage 2. Pare-parehas sila ng resistors, parehas din ng configuration. So let's start. We will focus more on stage 1. So dito sa stage 1, maglagay tayo ng label na R1. This is R1. This is R2. Ito naman yung RC ng stage 1. Ito yung RE ng stage 1. We will begin by solving VTH. And this is VCC multiplied by the voltage across R2 yan, yung VTH. So this is R2 over R1 plus R2. Then this is 20. This is our VCC. Multiplied by R2, 4.7 kilo ohms over R1 plus R2. So 15K plus 4.7K. This is equivalent to 4.77 volts. Then, gagamitin natin yung 4.77 volts to calculate IE. The equation for IE is VTH minus 0.7 over RE. So, this is 4.77 minus 0.7 over RE is 1 kilo ohms. The value of IE is 4.07 milliampere. Next, we will calculate R prime E. So R prime E is equivalent to 26 millivolts over IE. So this is 26 millivolts over 4.07 milliampere. And this is 6.39 ohms. So this is R prime E of the stage 1. This is also equivalent to R prime E of stage 2. Next, we will calculate the input impedance. This is equivalent to this formula, Z in 1, or in general, the input impedance. This is R1 parallel R2 parallel with beta R prime E. So this is 15 kilo ohms parallel with 4.7 kilo ohms parallel with beta 200 times R prime E 6.39. So sa calculator, paano ba ginagawa yan? 1 over yan ng 15 kilo ohms inverse plus 4.7 kilo ohms inverse plus yung 200 times 6.39 inverse. So, i-enter nyo lang yan sa calculator. The result is 941.7 ohms. So this is the input impedance in stage 1. This is also equivalent to Zin of stage 2. So pwede na tayong mag-solve ng voltage gain. Proceed tayo sa next slide. So ano ba yung formula ng voltage gain? Voltage gain is equivalent to RC parallel with RL over R prime E. So this is applicable in this circuit. Pwedeng mag-vary yung formula ng voltage gain depende sa circuit configuration. But for this circuit, especially meron tayong bypass capacitor, so ganyan ang magiging denominator, R prime E. Okay, check natin yung stage 1. So we have AB1. This is RC1 parallel with RL1 over R prime E1. Then, itong RC1 as is yan, yung RL1, yung nakikitang load ng stage 1 natin is the input impedance of stage 2. So for substitution, RC1 is 2.2 kilo ohms parallel with yung na-compute nating Zin2. And that is 941.7 divided by 6.39. So, ang masosolve nyo rito, this is 103.2. Unitless yan. So, this is AB1. Then, for stage 2, voltage gain, RC2, then wala tayong load na nakalagay. So, kung no load, RC2 na lang yan. Over R prime E2. Then, substitution, this is 2.2 kilo ohms over 6.39. And this is 344.29. Unitless din to. And to solve for the total voltage gain ng cascaded connection, imumultiply lang ang individual voltage gain. So this is AB1 103.2 multiplied by AB2 344.29, and this is equivalent to 35,530.728. So again, this is unitless. And last, solve natin ang output voltage. This is input multiplied by total voltage gain. So the input voltage gain is 25 microvolts multiplied by the total voltage gain, 35,530.728. So the result here is 0.89 volts. So this is our final answer for the sample problem.